In a time where we are constantly surrounded by technology and days often blur together as we begin to just go through the motions, exploration is a breath of fresh air. But this adventure was so much more than just a trip. It was a chance to experience the true beauty of the Earth that so few get to see. And radically expand my perspective on what the world is really like outside the confines of my hometown. My dad and I ventured over 1,500 miles into the California, Arizona, and Nevada wilderness on adventure motorcycles, which gave us the freedom to explore just about anywhere with astounding speed. We saw a wide range of extraordinary and surreal landscapes from locations over 11,000 feet in elevation. Encountered beautiful but treacherous terrain, drove through century-old mine shafts, camped 100 miles from civilization, stumbled into wildlife, and came across so many abandoned buildings, abandoned mining operations, abandoned structures, and ghost towns that gave us a glimpse into the vastly different but not so distant past. We even saw intaglios, massive drawings carved into the rock by tribes over 1,000 years ago. But with adventure comes challenges, and we had plenty of those. A flat tire in the middle of a sandstorm, bikes not starting in below freezing temperatures, engines overheating, extreme water crossings, and lots of crashes and getting stuck. But that's what makes adventure an adventure. It's not just about the destination, but about experiencing the entire journey and what it might entail. It's the overwhelming frustration when things inevitably go wrong. It's the pulsating fear as you take dangerous but necessary risks. It's the unpredictability, the so many unknowns. What weather will we face? What terrain will we encounter? What's going to break? But in the end, it's all worth it. The joy of seeing beautiful landscapes and remnants of human history. And the newfound confidence, knowing we overcame so many challenges to finally set foot at our destination. This adventure is just one step forward towards pushing the boundaries of what's possible in one lifetime. Stay tuned, there's so much more to come.